just fell out. Right there.
From the keel.
Yeah, and
It's all brass.
all brass screw. We keep
Yep.
the rest of them. We're still keeping them in there, but that one we've taken out.
Yep.
He's pulling on it.
Pulling out on it.
Everything coming out. Microscope's out. There you go.
We are trying to save it so we can use it at the museum.
Look
Very
at
wet, still wet. That's this the olive dowel.
Yeah.
So and then we can take the screw out and reuse it again.
When you're gonna do it, you damage it up here.
No, I'll do it here like this. Yeah. That's it.
That's it.
Good one.
It's okay. No pain, no gain. This is Betsy. She's coming out. Oh, it's coming out good. Look at that. Yeah. Yeah, get some water. Get some. There you go.
Take it off.
Whoa.